Hello and welcome to HP Calcs. I'm Rick, and today we're going to have a quick look at how to convert between fractions and decimals on the Casio fx-300 ES Plus calculator. To do this, we'll be using the Shift key that looks like this, located here, the fraction key that looks like this, and is located here, and the S to D, or fraction to decimal key that looks like this, and is located here. Now, the first thing you'll notice when you take this calculator out of its box and try to do some calculations is when you do something like, let's say, 1 divided by 2 and press equals, it gives you the answer in a fraction rather than decimal. If you simply want to change this from fraction to decimal, you can use this S to D key, press it once, and that fraction becomes a decimal. Press it again, it'll change back to a fraction. But if you want to get consistently decimals, this can be kind of annoying. So what you can do is go to the Shift menu. So press Shift, and then the Mode key here. And then you want option 1, mth.io, or mth.io. So you press 1. And in this next menu, you want the second option, line O, or line 0. So you press 2. Now, if you do that same calculation, 1 divided by 2 equals, you see you get a decimal. And we can still convert that back and forth with the S to D key. You can also do fraction calculations like this one here. Say 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4. To do that, we'll be using this key here, this fraction key. So to get started, we press the 1, fraction key 2, then go to the right, so there's our 1 over 2, plus 3 fraction 4 to the right, 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4, and press equals, and you can see this gives us a result of 5 over 4. And again, we can convert this from a fraction to a decimal by pressing that S to D key, and we see we get 1.25 out of that. And again, we can convert back and forth between. We can also do calculations with mixed fractions by using the Shift function of the fraction key here. So let's say we wanted to do 1 1/4 plus 1 1/2. We would press the 1, Shift, fraction, then the 1 and the 4 to the right. There we see our 1 1/4 plus 1, Shift, fraction, 1 down 2. There we go, 1 1/4 plus 1 1/2. And press equals. And we see this gives us a improper fraction of 11 over 4. We can convert this to a mixed fraction by pressing Shift, S to D. And you see this changes to 2 3/4 right here. Again, we can change it back by Shift, S to D, 11 over 4. And again, we can convert this to decimals by pressing this S to D key here. And you can see we get 2.75. All right, I hope this helps everybody, and good luck on those tests out there.